What's going on, family? It's your man, Jeff Kilgore, back again. And today we're going to discuss why you become the standards that you set. And we're getting started right now. I need you to ask yourself this one very important question. And that is, have I held myself to a standard that matches the level of my goals and dreams? One more time. Have I held myself to a standard that matches the level of all of my lofty goals and dreams? Because let's be real, figuring out what that is not that difficult. Yes, you do want to be specific about what it is that you want, but that's not the real challenge. Figuring out what exactly you want, that's not the real challenge. Of course you want to be built like a fitness model. Of course you want to start a business and become a multimillionaire. Of course you want to have the perfect relationship and live happily ever after with your soulmate. Of course you do, but that's not the real challenge. The real challenge is, have you held yourself to a standard that matches the level of your goals and dreams? Like what type of behaviors and activities are the standard for someone who is physically fit? Are they working out only when they feel like it? Are they eating whatever it is they want to eat just because it tastes good? Or are they saying to themselves, I work out X amount of days per week, no matter what. I eat only things that contribute to my physical fitness and not adding to my obesity, right? So there's a standard. What are the activities of someone that is going to be physically fit no matter what? What are their activities? What are the activities of an individual that absolutely refuses to live in poverty? Have they set a standard for themselves that says, I will not live paycheck to paycheck. I will not spend my money on frivolous, unnecessary things. I will always work harder today than I did yesterday, and I will continue that trend every day. Those are the behaviors that match up with their goals and dreams, and ultimately you become the standards that you set for yourself. So again, what are the standards that you set for yourself? What are your absolute non-negotiables? What are your must-haves? What is the absolute least that you're willing to accept? What are those standards that you set for yourself? Now take a nice long look at your life. Are you meeting your goals? Are you meeting your dreams? Because if you're not, and I'm guessing that you're not if you're watching this, if you're not, then you need to set a new standard for yourself. You need to set a new level for your goals and dreams that becomes the absolute least that you will accept for your life. You will no longer accept just mediocrity. You will no longer accept average. You will no longer accept allowing yourself to procrastinate. These are the new standards that you're setting for yourself. So what are the new standards for your health, your physical fitness, the food that you eat, the frequency in which you exercise and work out? What are the new standards for that? What are the new standards for your finances? Where are you setting the bar? Where is the level that you refuse to accept anything less than that level? Where is that at? Where have you set that at? And if you haven't, where are you going to set that at right now? What about your relationships? What is the level? What is the standard that you're setting for yourself as far as the partner that you wish to be? What about the level of acceptance and behavior that you will accept from a future partner? What standards are you setting for yourself? You become the standard that you set for yourself. If you want more out of life, and I know that you do, it's in our nature. It's in the fiber of our being. You want more out of life. I know you do. And if you want more, then you're going to have to raise your standards. You're going to have to raise the level of your acceptance of what you will and what you will not accept. You're going to have to raise what's normal for you. You're going to have a new normal. Yesterday's normal is no longer. You are now setting a new normal. I no longer procrastinate. I no longer put things off. I no longer only give 80%, 85%. From this day forward, I give it everything I have. That's the new standard. Every day I give it everything I have. At the end of the day, I'll be able to look myself in the mirror and say I did everything that I could possibly do today. That's the new standard. When I wake up, I'm going to thank God for another opportunity to get it right. And then I'm going to go as hard as I can. That's the new standard. Did you get any value out of this? I hope you did. And if so, you know how I say, squeeze this like button. Like, comment, subscribe, share, all that good stuff. Especially subscribe and hit that notification bell so you can make sure you get every video that I upload. Also, we have a Facebook group. It would mean the world to me if you would click the link below and join the Facebook group. We're discussing things like this. We're bouncing ideas off each other. We're still growing. It would mean the world to me if you would join our community. All right. And if you're still rocking with me at this point, you already know. I appreciate you. Let's go.